Gusto ko na lang at the end of the day, I tell the people I love them. Wala nang sense for me yung playing games. And wala din sense sa akin yung, oh sige, habulin mo ko, chase mo ko. For me, the most attractive thing is communication. For us to be able to talk. Kaya nga most of my men na naging men ko, na hindi lang natuluyan sa final floor. Honest, open communication. Isa lang naman yung naging guy ko na hindi open sa communication. The rest of them were super honest with me. Kaya siguro hindi din kami umabot sa cheating. And yun din yung na-appreciate ko, yung quality of men na naging part ng journey ko. They've always been honest with me. And ganoon din ako sa kanila. A lot of people say this is masculine energy, but for me, this is how I function. I am honest, I am assertive, and I don't play these games hard to get because everybody is busy. Everybody is going through something. Everybody has a trauma. Everybody ata naka-go through ng heartbreak. And ayoko na magdagdag pa and i-continue pa yung cycle na yun. I wanna be an adult in these things. If you like me, you like me. If you don't like me, you don't like me.